SDXL 1.0 by Stability AI. It is a powerful model that can generate high quality images in any form and style, including photorealistic images. It uses a technique called Stablе Diffusion, which helps to produce images that are both realistic and creative. And I think Stability AI has a lot of potential, but they need to do some work on their model before it can be considered a truly excellent AI image generator to me. I hoping that they will continue to improve SDXL versions in the future. The results are not always consistent. Sometimes I got amazing images and other times the images are not very good or basic. I think SDXL 1.0 is a promising model, but it still needs some work. In the meantime, if you are looking for a better text to image generation model, I would recommend current Midjourney and Leonardo AI. They both produce much higher quality images than HDXL 1.0. Thank you. HDXL 1.0 is still in beta, so there are likely to be some bugs and improvements in the future. And it is not easy to use as some other text to image generation models, I think. It requires more fine tuning to get the desired results. And it is not very good at generating images of people or animals. It is better at generating abstract or landscape images or house design, home design, etc. However, if you are willing to put in some time and effort, HDXL 1.0 can be a great tool for you for creating unique and creative images. So try it.